So the first thing is we've upgraded the front end with a new grille execution. We've got the automatic emergency braking with the camera up here and the sensors down here. You can get optional LED fog lamps. So we've improved fuel efficiency dramatically on this vehicle. 2 all-new powertrains. One is a 2-liter gasoline direct injected engine, it's their base engine, and then we have an optional, first time ever in the United States, a 1.5-liter EcoBlue diesel engine, which will definitely deliver best-in-class mileage in this segment. But we've added standard automatic emergency braking, which will dramatically reduce rear-end accidents and total operating costs for not only our retail customers, but our fleet customers. We've also added other features like bliss, blind spot detection, adaptive cruise control, and a standard embedded modem on this vehicle with the ability to turn it into a Wi-Fi hotspot. So not only can it get you to the job, but it can be your mobile office when you're at the job. Another big story is an all-new IP and improvements to the seats. As I mentioned, any changes we make on the vehicles are always driven by feedback we've received from our customers. We recontoured the seats, changed the seat foam for much greater seat comfort, especially when you're living in a vehicle 8, 10, 12 hours. That's a big concern of many customers. We've upgraded the IP. We've got a 6.5-inch screen, which is the optional screen. But in a work van with standard rear backup cameras, the screen and the proximity of the driver is a huge surprise and delight and a real functional feature in reducing accidents. One of the other new features in this is you have the ability to get an optional wireless charging pad for your cell phones. Many of these drivers use their vehicle as a mobile office, and the cell phone has now become the laptop on the road. Many people are not only contacting their customers, but issuing bills and even accepting payment for some of the jobs that they have. But one of the things, when we upgraded the Transit Connect in 2014, traditional work vans have been very Spartan. This one has big beefy steering wheel, and with this advanced technology with the automatic emergency braking, optional lane keeping aid, optional adaptive cruise control. All of these technological features combined with the efficiency are really taking the Transit Connect small commercial cargo van to a whole nother level. So the cargo van, dual side doors, are really critical when you're operating in tight urban environments. One-way streets, when you have the doors on either side, you can park on either side and safely offload your goods to the other side. Choice is another big advantage we have. Transit Connect comes in a short wheelbase and a long wheelbase. If you move to the back, more choice yet. This one has the optional 180-degree cargo doors. But you can also get an optional lift gate, which is standard on the wagons, but in a van that you can get it as an option, and that opens up to here and actually helps create an under comfortable work environment, especially when it's raining. A real advantage we have with Ford commercial vehicles is because we've been the leader for 33 years in class 1 through 7. There are more companies that make products for our vehicles, and Transit Connect is no different. What you're looking at here is, I wouldn't say anything standard because the amount of customization that's available, every company, whether they have one van or 1,000 vans, really has the opportunity to customize the interior to exactly what they want. This is a racks and bins. It has a bulkhead, prevent any of the cargo from getting up into the passenger area. Now, if you want to follow me over here, we can look at another outfit that one of our other customers did. This is pretty cool. A Cataract system. It's designed to carry, I think they can carry 300 pounds per shelf on this. It's usually a custom application, so the way this is cut out, it could be flower pots or something that they're hauling in here. And then you can see how they've changed this to carry something else. So depending on whatever the customer needs to do and accomplish for their particular work situation, the Transit Connect, combined with the choice that our upfitter base can provide, really maximize their efficiency. Efficiency isn't just miles per gallon they're getting on a vehicle, it's how efficient they are in getting access to their tools so they're not wasting time trying to find what they had for it. If we want to come to this side, I'll just point out one other aspect of this particular outfit. One of the things you'll see on our larger high roof transit vans, give the customer the opportunity to walk directly in, and it's kind of a mobile workshop. With these smaller vans, they typically just access everything they have from the inside. And with the racks, I don't have to hit my head trying to get over to the other side. Just pull it like that. What that's going to do is minimize any kind of work accidents that the employees are going to have, because uptime isn't just about keeping the vehicle on the road, it's also keeping the driver working on the road. And when we look at everything that we've added with the fuel efficiency improvements, with the all-new powertrains, with the all-new 8-speed transmission, and then you add in 7 all-new class exclusive technology features, it really is the smartest choice to do the job of the 21st century. In this particular outfit, it actually has a composite bulkhead as opposed to the other one that had a straight steel bulkhead. What it does is it maximizes the amount of room that the driver can recline the seat, and also maximizes the amount of room that's available in the outfit itself. So again, I'm not saying one's better than the other, it's just choice, and depending on what the customer's looking to accomplish in their particular outfit. One thing I didn't mention before was when Transit Connect first came to the market, these were the smallest commercial vans in the industry. They didn't have the same level of payload and space that the full-size vans had. So many of the upfitters that were in Europe brought some of their ideas over to the U.S., and lightweighting in the actual construction of the upfit is a big part of that. And these are all made out of aluminum here. If you take weight out of your upfit racks and bins or cater racks like this, then it gives you the ability to carry even more weight or payload or tools to get the job done. Thanks.